Ar Líne.
Maidin de híne a bhí ann. Bhí mammy Ar Líne. Bhí si ag siopadóireacht. Cheannaigh si bia den chlann. Ar 3 bhí cnag ar an doras. Tháinig farrasteach le málaí lán le bia. Chuir mammy an Tim, an Banya, agus an Ól sa chuisneoir. Chuir si gach rud eile sa chofra.
Ceistena. Ceist a héan. Cén lá a bhí ann. Ceist a dó. An raibh mammy ag féachant ar an telefís. Ceist a trí. Cad a cheannaigh si. Ceist a ceathair. Cár chur mammy an Tim, an Banya agus an Ól. Ceist a 5. Cár chur si gach rud eile.
Okay, Ar Líne means online. When you're on a computer, you're online. Maidin de híne a bhí ann. So maidin means morning. De híne is Friday. So Friday morning it was. It was Friday morning. Bhí mammy Ar Líne. Mommy was online. Bhí she was. Ag siopadóireacht, she was shopping. Ceannaigh she bought. Bia is food. Dun clan, for the family. Ar 3 so at 3 o'clock, bhí cnag ar an doras. Now look at the word cnag. Cnag looks like kind of like the English word knock. Knock has a KN, but cnag has a CN. So bhí cnag ar an doras. There was a knock on the door. Tháinig farrasteach. So a man came in with bags, le málaí are bags. And what were the bags? They were full of food. They were lán le bia, full of food. Chuir mammy an Tim. So mommy put. Chuir means put. Chuir mommy. Mommy put an Tim, an Banya, agus an Fiol, an Ól, sa chuisneoir. So mommy put the butter, the milk, and the meat. Sa chuisneoir. So fiol is meat, but when you have an in front of it, it's an Ól. So an Ól is the meat. Sa chuisneoir in the fridge. Chuir si gach rud eile sa chofra. So the stuff that didn't need to go in the fridge, she put all the other things in the cupboard. Okay, so we're going to play that through one more time, but this time I want you to repeat after you hear every sentence. And then we'll do the questions afterwards.
Ar Líne.
Maidin de híne a bhí ann. Bhí mammy Ar Líne. Bhí si ag siopadóireacht. Cheannaigh si bia den chlann. Ar 3 bhí cnag ar an doras. Tháinig farrasteach le málaí lán le bia. Chuir mammy an Tim, an Banya, agus an Ól sa chuisneoir. Chuir si gach rud eile sa chofra.
Okay, then don't forget to put your title at the top with your Lahanach Nócha is a do, page 92. So question 1, Cén lá a bhí ann? What day was it? You could just say de híne a bhí ann, it was Friday, but if you wanted you could also say maidin de híne a bhí ann. So Friday morning, it was Friday morning. Question 2, An raibh mommy ag féachant ar an telefís? Was mommy watching the television? Now there's two ways of answering the question an raibh. You can have bhí mommy ag féachant ar an telefís, or ní raibh mommy ag féachant ar an telefís. And of course, ní raibh mommy ag féachant ar an telefís. Mommy was not watching the television. So what was she doing? Bhí si ag siopadóireacht. She was shopping. Or you could say bhí si ag féachant ar an ríomhra. She was watching the computer. Question 3. Cad a cheannaigh si? What did she buy? So start off with the verb ceannig mummy, ceannig she or ceannig mummy, bia dun clan, she bought food for the family. Question 4. Car chur. So car means where. Where did mummy put the butter, the milk, and the meat? So chur mummy. Start off with the verb chur. So chur mummy on Tim, on Banya, agus and Ol. So chishnor. She put them in the fridge. And question 5. Car chur she gocrud ella. Where did she put everything else? And again, start off with the verb chur she gocrud ella sa cofra. She put everything else in the cupboard. Now, don't forget to put your full stops and your capital letters, and every letter that needs a fada, make sure to put that fada in. Well done.